Stop by and take a look at the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, radio data system. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.